One thing that I really like about the Power Editor tool is that it really lends itself to easily structuring and thinking about split testing. If we go back to the alternative, which is the Ads Create tool, we'll remember that you have to set your campaign objective, your ad sets, and your ads before your campaign can really appear in your ads reporting tool and go live. So it's quite a process. It's all bunched together in one. And that can be okay if you've just got one ad set and one ad. But if you're trying to think about multiple ad sets, testing different audiences, testing different placements, testing different budgets and schedules, it can be quite an overwhelming process. But inside the Power Editor tool, it's a lot simpler. And I'll just give you an example to show you the difference. So to create a campaign in Power Editor, what you have to do is just click on Create Campaign here. Now I'm going to select the campaign name as just video views here and match it up to my campaign objective. Now you'll see that all of the campaign objectives here are the same that we've seen previously in the Ads Create tool. So I'll just change that to video views. Now you'll see here that the buying type is just auction. For some of those objectives you may see the option for a fixed price CPM buying type. Now if I want to create this campaign, I don't have to go ahead and create an ad set yet and think about all that stuff. I can just hit this Create Campaign button. Now up pops an overview of the campaign and the objective, and I can just click that to close it again. But what I can see now is that I have my campaign objective. Now inside here I can see one ad set, and this is where it starts to get interesting. What I can do is actually duplicate this ad set and split this audience out pretty quickly. So I come up here, click on the drop down under duplicate, and I can see split audience. So what I've got here is a ad set for 18 plus male and females. And what I can do is actually split this audience into two and test between males and females. And now instead of having one ad set, I've got two ad sets very quickly, and I'll be able to test males versus females for my campaign. And you can see that pop up there. Now, as well as just doing that quick split audience that you can do and is built in as a button here, you can also just select one of the ad sets and you can duplicate it. So you can see that this is the duplicated ad set here, and I could change this, come in and edit it, and maybe then change the budget, the schedule. Maybe I could try a custom audience versus a normal audience, different placements, etc. Now we can go into later on the exact things that you could maybe test, but the point right now is it's very easy to duplicate things, and that makes it much easier to create various ad sets very quickly into a campaign. Now equally, you can do all of that same stuff at the ad level. You can duplicate ads, you can duplicate them and then change one thing like a call to action button, learn more versus shop now. You can change the images, and it's much easier to set up here quickly. And I think get a clear overview of exactly for each campaign how many ad sets you have and how many ads, etc. So what I recommend you do is come into your Power Editor, just set up a campaign, try to duplicate an ad set and maybe some ads, and then you can always come back in here and just delete it once you're done.